friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to enable voice typing in Google Docs. So if you want to enable typing in Google Docs, what you have to do is here you will see tools option. Just click on tools option and here you will see voice typing. So make sure that you are using Google Chrome browser and you are using microphone in your laptop or in your mobile. So now you will see, now click on this voice typing and here you have to click hi, here you have to click allow and say hi, how are you, what are you doing, question mark. Here you will say question mark. When I say question mark, you will see that question mark is comma hello. So this is best way to type or type anything here on Google Docs. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.